Hello friends, today in this video let me show multiple approaches to save query results as table in SQL Server. So basically as part of this video tutorial we are going to discuss four simple approaches to do this. The first approach is using select into statement. Second approach is using create table and then insert into statement. And the approach 3 will be using the table variables, and the last and the final approach will be using the temporary tables option. Okay, now what I'll do, let me just navigate to my SQL Server Management Studio there. So you can able to see I have already opened here my SQL Server Management Studio. What you can do, you can able to see there is a database called test. Okay, and there I have many tables here. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll use this test database for this demo perspective. Okay, so let me just copy the commands. Okay, now let me copy this command first, the first approach, right? That is select star into the table, right? The first approach. Let me just go to the new query and paste that query over here. Let me do slide zoom. You can able to see what we are trying to tell here is select star into this particular table. This is the new table from this old table. So what basically we are trying to tell, get the data from here, from the product table, and put it in the home USA table, right? So if I execute this, you can able to see four rows affected. Now, if I will go and check that home USA table, so I will do select star from home USA, right? So this table, if I'll check, I'll go here, I will execute this query. You can able to see that all those datas are copied as a table to this particular new table, right? So if I will check the product table also, it will be the same data, right? So if I will copy this query again, I'll paste it here. I will say product here, product, and if I will execute both these queries, you can able to see the same data, right? So basically we have successfully copied those data as a table, as the output as a table to the new table, right? So this is the first approach, guys. And the second approach will be, I will just click on the new query, I'll go to the notepad, and I will copy this both these queries, right? I'll go here, I will again go here and paste those queries here. What you are trying to tell here, we are creating a new table here. You can able to see we are trying to tell create this table. I will make it new. Okay, and I will insert into, I'll make it new as well. So what we are trying to tell here, we are trying to tell that create this table along with these columns, right? And then we are using insert into statement to the uh, same table, and we are getting the data from this and putting it over here, right? So we are trying to tell here that insert into this one, then the column names that table contains, right? And then we are telling select this. So basically this all these tables are with the similar structure, right? So ensure that all the tables are with the same schema and with the same table structure, right? Then only you can able to copy those data to that particular table, right? So what we will do, let us create this table. I'll execute this command first. Okay, new is already exists, so I will say something else, updt, and then here also I will change that to updt, right? Updated one. Okay, now let me just execute this command to create the table first, and you can able to see the command executed successfully and the table also created, right? If I'll go here and refresh this and I will go to the table node, expand it. You can able to see USA home updated is created, right? Where it is, yes, this is the last table. You can able to see it here, right? It is now created. The table is created successfully. Okay. So basically this table and this product table will have the same table structure on the schema, right? Same column name, everything will be same. Then only you can able to copy it, right? So next what I'll do, I will say insert into. So what we are trying to tell, you get the all the data from this product table and insert into this particular new table that we have created just now, right? So let me just execute this statement. I mean this query. You can able to see 4 rows affected now. Okay. Now if I'll go here and I will go to this, I will check this particular command. I mean select command. I will execute it. You can able to see same data is copied to this particular new table, right? So this is the second approach, guys. Okay. And before going to the next approach, if you want to use these queries and all, I have already written one article on this particular topic. Okay, this script and all you will get in that article. That article link I'm going to put it in the video description. You can go through that article and copy these commands if you want to utilize. Okay, now my intention here is to execute those things and to show you a successful output, right? Now let me just click on the new query and we will move to the next approach. And here we can also use you can also declare a variable, and with that help of that you can also save the result as a table, right? So what we are trying to tell here is declare this particular variable name as a table type. Okay, and here is the all the columns we have, and then we are telling insert into that particular variable, right? Of type table, and then we are selecting again the data from this product table and putting it here, right? So this is the overall thing. Okay, so now what I'll do, I will just execute this complete query, right? You can able to see, you can able to see 4 rows affected now, right? So this is the third approach, guys. Now the next approach will be, we will go to the notepad again and we will copy these queries, right? I'll go here and I will go and paste it here, right? So here, if I will go and execute this particular table, so what we are trying to tell here is we are creating a temporary table which will starts from hash, right? This is a single or local temporary table, right? When the name will start from hash, single hash, that is local temporary table, and global means it will start from double hash. Okay, so basically we are trying to create a temporary table here, and then we are again doing the same thing. We are copying the data from product and putting into that temporary table, right? So both the table structure and schema will be similar. Okay, source and destination table, right? Now I will execute this query. You can able to see command completed successfully and this temporary table also created. Now let's execute this insert statement. So now you can able to see 4 rows affected. That means it is successfully copied those data to the temporary table, right? So these are the 4 simple approaches you can utilize to save your the output as a table, right, in SQL Server. So that's it for today, guys. I thought to quickly show you how to save the query result as a table in SQL Server. And these are the simple approaches you can utilize to do that. Thanks a lot for watching this video tutorial. And if you like this video, kindly subscribe to our channel to support us so that you will get lots of free SQL Server tips, different helpful PowerShell commands, Azure tips, Google Docs tips, and many more. Thanks a lot again and have a nice day. Bye bye.